Bulavanaka, this is United States Ambassador Joseph Sella. I am pleased to introduce this video of Thirikoto performed by the United States Pacific Fleet Band. Their visit scheduled for April was canceled due to pandemic travel restrictions. The members look forward to a time when they can return to the beautiful shores of Fiji. In the meantime, they recorded this song to praise Fiji's natural beauty, honor its rich culture and history, and celebrate the great success of eliminating this silent global killer virus. One passage of lovely words in the song, penned by the late Ratu Sir Kamisese Mara, Fiji's founding father of democracy, revere and reflect on this land that is loved, land of life. The United States Embassy is grateful for the continued partnership and collaboration with the Fijian Navy and the United States Navy, and is fully committed to building on our cooperation between our two navies into the future. Vinakavaka Levu. God bless.
Kuanita